In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial section to the Shopify Dawn theme. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and looking at your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you usually see your store overview, orders, and analytics. From here, we're going to use the built-in search feature in the admin to quickly find what we need, instead of clicking around through menus. At the top of your Shopify dashboard, look for the search bar. It's usually at the very top of the page. Click on it to activate the search field. In that search bar, start typing the words Section Store. As you type, Shopify will start suggesting different areas and apps that match your search. In the search results, you should see something called Section Store. This is where you can browse and install additional sections that work with your theme. Go ahead and click on Section Store to open it. Once you're inside the Section Store app or page, you'll see a variety of pre-made sections you can add to your theme. What we're looking for specifically is a testimonial section. You may see it on the main screen, but if not, use the search bar within the Section Store and type Testimonial. This will filter the options and show you testimonial style sections you can use with Dawn. When you find a testimonial section you like, click on it to open its details. Here you'll usually see a preview, a short description of what it does, and the price if it's a paid section. If you're happy with your choice, look for the button that says Purchase Now and click on it. Shopify will then redirect you to a confirmation page. On the confirmation or charge approval page, review the details of the purchase, including the price and what you're getting. When you're ready, click on Approve to confirm the charge. Shopify will process this, and once it's approved, the testimonial section will be added to your store as a new theme section. Now, go back to your online store and open your theme editor for the Dawn theme. On the left-hand side, you'll see the list of sections that can be added to your pages. Scroll through that list, and you should now see the new testimonial section available there. From this point, you can add it to your homepage or any other template, customize the text, images, and customer quotes,